Adam John Jartum. Sarah Elizabeth Tubb. Chancellor, that concludes the presentation of graduates from the College of Health and Biomedicine. I call upon the Dean, Graduate Research Centre, Professor Helen Borland.
Chancellor, professional doctoral degrees are conferred on those who've undertaken a combination of advanced coursework and completed original research, resulting in a significant contribution to knowledge in the relevant professional field. The work generally includes a critical review of the literature, a systematic form of inquiry, and the preparation of a thesis reporting the outcomes of the research. I'm honoured to present the following candidates for the conferral of the degree Doctor of Business Administration. Chancellor, I present to you Mohammad Reza Akbari, who by reason of a thesis entitled Factors Affecting Outsourcing Decisions in Iranian Industries has satisfied the requirements for admission to the degree of Doctor of Business Administration. Outsourcing and privatisation in Iran are in their infancy. This study provides empirical evidence to establish key success factors for these business activities while focusing on the Iranian social and cultural environment. The work is specifically tailored for application to Iranian organisations seeking to reduce their overhead costs and provide better customer service. Mohammad Reza's principal supervisor was Dr. Nicholas Billington, and his associate supervisor was Dr. John Hopkins. Chancellor, Dr. Mohammad Reza Akbari. Chancellor, I present to you Khalid Abdullah Al-Dosari, who by reason of a thesis entitled Saudisation in the Hospitality Industry, Management Issues and Opportunities, has satisfied the requirements for admission to the degree of Doctor of Business Administration. The research investigated the effects of the Saudi government's Saudisation and Nitakat policies in the hospitality industry. It concludes that there is a need to introduce experienced Saudis at the management level so they can provide support for youth at the entry level. Saudis studying overseas have more experience with other nationalities and will provide a managerial foundation to encourage more youth into the sector. Khalid's principal supervisor was Dr. James Downey, and his associate supervisor was Mrs. Daniela Nicolau. Chancellor, Dr. Khalid Abdullah Al-Dosari. Chancellor, I present to you Paul Hawking, who by reason of a thesis entitled Factors Critical to the Success of Business Intelligence Systems has satisfied the requirements for admission to the degree of Doctor of Business Administration. Paul's research through the analysis of some 10,000 industry presentations and in conjunction with industry interviews, identified the critical success factors associated with business intelligence when implemented as an extension of an enterprise resource planning system. The research will assist companies in achieving the benefits of their business intelligence initiatives. Paul is a Victoria University staff member. His principal supervisor was Dr. Carmine Solito, and his associate supervisor was Associate Professor Stephen Burgess. Chancellor, Dr.